right, so my during reading strategy is sketch to stretch, and it's a pretty simple strategy, and I will tell you how you use it. So a quick overview, when you would use it, of course it's a during reading strategy, so use it while you are reading the text. It's very helpful if the text does not have illustrations. A good indicator of when to use this strategy is if a student says, I don't know what this means, or I don't understand what this is saying, or what it's trying to explain. Like, those are good indications that they need a better visual of what is happening inside the text. Why you would use it, of course, this is a great visual. And of course, if they can visualize the text, they're better able to comprehend it. And how you can use this, you can either do it in partners or individually. It's totally up to the teacher. So for my example, I took an article from Newslia. This is about the first immigrants to arrive at Ellis Island. And this article basically talks about what Ellis Island is, how it operated, and all that. And this is the only picture that is in the entire article, so I thought this would be a great article to use. So for my example, I just drew my depiction of Ellis Island. The thing that I would stress with your students is to support their drawing with textual evidence. So in the article, it said that 2 boats could dock at a time at Ellis Island, so I put 1 boat there. And then it said that up to 700 immigrants were going through Ellis Island during this time, so I put a bunch of people in the building. And yeah, as long as there's textual evidence of what they drew, I think it's a great way to visualize, and I think it would help the students able to comprehend it better.